Subscribe to my channel Gear Up with Shikha and press the bell button to get the latest updates. It's free.
Hello friends, this is Shikha here and I'm very excited as Valentine's Day is approaching. I think you all are very excited, right? I am very excited because I want to share with you how I have decorated this little room of mine. I have given a bit of changes here and there to match with the Valentine's Day, and I want to share it with you all so you can also do the same, or you can just watch how I have done it. If you like this, definitely write in the comment box. I will be waiting for you. Just a touch of love will change everything and make this a very special one this year. So this is how it looks, a small cozy carpet near the bed, and then lovely flower decorated blanket. I think it's just matching with the Valentine's Day decoration. That cute little cushion will add warmth. Coming to the side table, there's nothing much. Just lovely red roses, and mind you, these should be fresh indeed. A small candle to add warmth, a jug of fresh water, and box full of chocolates ready to be munched anytime. I have added this chocolate box. This is very special in case of Valentine's Day. This is a very favorite chocolate of mine, which definitely has been gifted to me, and I have kept this.
The other side of the table is decorated with aromatic candles. Let's go to the other side.
Well, this other side of the bed is decorated with a table lamp and small candles, tea lights. Now this is a very special one. I have specially made this for Valentine's Day. I have filled this candle stand with small pebbles and put the tea light. Added these. I think the bed is very cozy enough. I feel like going to the bed and sitting there. Well, after a very hard day out, we can enjoy and come to the room and stay happy and chat together with all our friends and loved ones. That round green ball filled with light is adding just liveliness to the room.